Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted apps on iPhone home screen. For example, I will delete the QR reader code right here, this app right here. You'll simply press down on the app, then tap on Remove App, and I'll tap on Remove from Home Screen. As you can see, it is now deleted from the home screen. To add it to your home screen again, you'll simply go to the last page. So you'll glide along to the last page. And from here, you will search for the QR app or the app that you want to reinstall. As you can see it right here. And you'll simply tap on the app and you'll simply drag it to your home screen. And that's it. But if you have deleted the app, for example, let me press down on the app, tap on Remove App, and tap on Delete App. If you had deleted the app completely, let me show you how to reinstall it. First, you will need to go into App Store. Once in App Store, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select Purchased. After selecting Purchase, you will see all of the apps that are currently on your iPhone and also the deleted ones. You will see a cloud icon beside them, or you'll tap on Not on this iPhone and you will get a better list of all of your recently deleted apps. And you will simply tap on the cloud icon to reinstall the app. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.